What's up, guys? This is Brannon Daniel here with Classic South Land Restoration here in Lincolnton, Georgia, serving all of surrounding counties and CSRA. Services we offer are not limited to forestry mulching with our cutter heads, various attachments, grading, land clearing, driveway installations, erosion control. Here at Classic South, this is one of our tools that adds to our versatility. And this is my Cat 310 equipped with a Gyro-Trac 500HF high flow cutter head. It helps with pond cleanup, steep embankments, and other hard to reach areas. With the 300HF by Gyro-Trac, I went with this machine, this cutter head, because it has the same style teeth as my 500HF. Although a smaller drum, is still very powerful and can cut up to 6 to 8 inch trees. The 500HF by Gyro-Trac is attached to my 299 D3 by Caterpillar. It's also a high flow machine, and it turns this drum at 2,500 RPMs. We use this for larger tracts, anywhere from ½ acre up to 20 acres, even more. But this setup here is capable of mulching 1 to 2 acres per day, and depending on the terrain and the size. Give a shout out to Gyro-Trac for these awesome heads. Extremely durable, reliable. They're spot on with parts and customer service. All right, guys, thanks for coming out to Lincolnton, Georgia, here in Double Branches, hanging out with us, and some services here on my sign here for site prep, clearing, grading, and mulching. Reach out if you have the need for your property, 706-401-4645, or look us up online at cslrmulching.com.